click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy J4 if you are unable to install any app. So first of all, we need to connect our mobile with the Wi-Fi. As you can see, I am just going to give my password over here. So after that, we connect it with Wi-Fi. Now our mobile is connected with Wi-Fi. Now you need to connect your mobile with computer and open FRP bypass tool in computer. After that, click on bypass FRP and it will show you a pop-up message on your screen. If Samsung tool doesn't work for you, you need to disable driver signatures and then try again. It will work for you. Now click on view here and it will let you go to Google Chrome. Accept and continue. Next, no thanks. And now we are in Google Chrome. Unplug the USB cable. Click here and write FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. As you can see, I am just put it here FRP Faisal and go. And you will see the first link from faisalmobile.com. Click on it and it will let you go to my website. Scroll down and you need to click on Galaxy Store and it will ask for update. You need to update your Galaxy Store first. Click agree. Now click on update. It will take a little bit time, depend on your internet speed, so it will be finished soon. Then I return back to you. After update, it will back to home screen. As you can see, now it's again back to the home screen. You just need to repeat the process which we did before. Just go back to the home screen and connect USB cable with computer. And again open Samsung FRP tool. Click on bypass FRP. As you can see, drivers are installing. Click on bypass FRP. OK, and it will let you go to again YouTube or Google Chrome. Click on view and now click on accounts, setting, about and Google privacy policy, and it will let you go to the Google Chrome again. Click again FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. Click here, click the first link and now just scroll down the page and again Galaxy Store, open it and it will let you go to Galaxy Store now. Again I press it. Okay, now our store is updated. Just search play services hidden setting. I am just writing here hidden and you can see here play services hidden setting. Click on it and download it. it will ask for the Samsung account. You need to have a Samsung account. If you don't have, you can create it an other mobile. I have already Samsung account, so I am giving my Samsung account here. Now just give your password. I am just giving my password and continue with sign in. Click I have to read and everything, agree, and it will ask for the backup code. So I got it at my mobile, so I put it here. Again verify. Now our account is going to log in and it's almost done here. And you can see the process is going on. Now you can see play services hidden setting is going to download and it will install automatically. You just need to open it, wait a little bit. So it's going to install. Now just click on the play button and it will let you go to the inside, open hidden settings and scroll down at the end. The second one from the bottom, you select it and here it will ask for pattern, pin or password. You can give anyone. I am just going to give here pattern. So I draw 2 times here my pattern lock. You can draw anyone you want. So our pattern lock is done. Now I need to check it's working or not. Yes, it's working. Now we just need to restart our mobile, or you can simply go back to home screen, no problem at all. Which one you like, you can do it. Now our mobile is restarted and it will take a little bit time to boot up. So we just need to set up our mobile. It's almost done to bypass FRP lock. You just need to set up your mobile. I just make fast forward for you so we can finish it fastly. If you get any problem during the process, you can comment me. Hopefully I will answer it. As you can see, now we are in mobile and we can use it freely. There is no lock at all and we completely bypass our FRP lock. You can see the security patch, it's 2021 and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.